Hello students, good morning. Now we are going to learn the three types of meristems as per their location in the plant. So we are learning plant tissues, simple tissues in plants, meristematic tissues and simple tissues. Two types of tissues are there in plants. In that we are learning about meristematic tissues. The meristematic tissues are three types. There are three types of meristematic tissues in plants. According to their position, according to their location, where it is placed in a plant, the meristems are divided or categorized into three groups. They are apical meristem in the apex of the plant, intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem is near the nodes of the plant. Lateral meristem are the lateral side of the stem. So these three meristems, meristems, in the previous video we have seen that meristems are continuously dividing cells. They help the plant to increase their length and girth. So they have no particular shape. They contain full of cytoplasm and actively dividing. So this apical meristem is present at the growing tips of stem and root. The stem and the root are growing continuously in a plant. Plant growth is continuous. It is not limited. The tips of the plant is growing continuously. The root tip and shoot tip contain apical meristems to help this growth. They help in the increase in length and increase in the length of the plant body, and they are responsible the growth for growth in length. That is called primary growth. So in the apical part, this is the apical part of a plant, the tip, the growing tip, apical part, and this apical part contain apical meristem, and increasing this apical part in length will increase the length of the plant. So these are responsible for the primary growth in plant. Now intercalary meristems. These meristems occupy base of the leaves and the base of internodes region in plants. See, the base of the leaves and the base of internode. This portion, base of leaf and the base of internode. Internode is the position between two nodes. So here there is intercalary meristem. The word itself denotes that, intercalary meristem. And these meristems occupy base of the leaves and the base of internodal regions in plants such as grasses, monocotyledonous plants. These help in elongation of the internodes. Elongation of internode is helped by intercalary meristems. Intercalary meristems are mostly seen in monocotyledonous plants. Monocotyledonous plants means they are grasses, bamboo. In bamboo plant, the bamboo plant grow in length continuously, and they have internodes. Their length is deriving the increase in length of the internodes. Length is derived by the increase in length of the internodes. So they help, intercalary meristems help in the increase in length of the internodes. Runners, grass, all these plants have this meristem to help their increase in length of the internode. Next is lateral meristem. Lateral meristems are seen the lateral region of the stem and root, which help in the increase of the width of the plant. They include the meristematic tissues occupying the lateral regions of the stem and root, which bring about increase in the width of the plant body. So they are cork cambium and vascular cambium. Example of lateral meristem. They help in the increase of width or girth of the plant body. So these are the three type of meristem. You draw this diagram. Draw this diagram and label the three type of meristems: apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. Draw the position of these meristems. Lateral meristem is seen like laterally. Intercalary meristem is at the base of the leaf or in between two internodes. Apical meristem is at the tip of the plant. According to the position, their position in a plant body, they are divided into three categories. Meristem are divided into three categories. And anyway, meristems help in the growth of the plant body, whether it is the increase in length or increase in the width. These meristems are very important in the plant body, in the functioning of the plant body, because plants are continuously growing throughout their life. So meristematic tissues are responsible for the growth of the plant in length and width. Okay. So write all the three meristems, their location, their position, their function, all are here. Three type of meristems as per their location and function. Here there is function also, location and function. So write it down in your copy and learn it. Draw this diagram in your copy. Okay. In another video we can learn another topic. Till then,